The MLA representing Rongara Siju and serving as the Minister of Education, Rakkam A Sangma, addressed the media on the 23rd of February 2024, expressing concerns regarding various issues affecting the state of Meghalaya. Regarding the recent report submitted by the Education Commission to the state government, Sangma stated that he was unaware of its findings but suggested that it could provide valuable guidance for improving departmental performance.
Yeah, it is true, but they have I'm submitted yesterday as a quarter report, but they've just I think so that we are yet to go through, and the department is yet to go through the findings. I think it's just what we call findings only, and we will let you know after going through the details of the report. No findings. What we I think the scenario of our education system is. I mean, everybody knows about this. So I think all these findings might be so because it's in. But they have worked well. They are committed. They are experienced and whatever they will be. They might have been given the system. It's truly will be the documents and a guiding principle for us to go ahead. But we will know after going through the details. But certainly they are the very expert academicians, various stakeholders, and they are, I think, will be truly like what we call will be the guiding principle for us. But however, not all the recommendation and the suggestion may not be may not be possible from the government side to to address all. But however, government will go differ into the subject.
When asked about the alleged resurgence of the GNLA in the Garo Hills, Rakkam A Sangma stated that there have been no confirmed reports of such activity.
No, that I am not aware because yes, in the social media last night I have always just seen, but I think I don't know whether it's true or not. But I think the government and the police people are doing the needful. But if it is true, also it is very very. I don't know why our boys wants up this kind of things again and again. It's all story. One who won this kind of things happened. I think be in the entire state, in Meghalaya, especially in Garo Hills, enough is enough. Enough is enough. I think this is not the time to have all this kind of militants here and there. So I think our people are aware now. I think I think I would urge every citizens of the state, of every locality, do not give any space, any room for such kind of things to take place. And I also would like to request every individual, every young people to support and stand with the government so that this kind of anti-social should not happen again and again. This is not the way to go. If it is true also.
Regarding the incident involving the insulting of a nun from Tura while travelling through Assam, Sangma strongly condemned the act and called upon both the state and central governments to address the matter seriously to prevent similar incidents in the future.
Look, what the incident happened on 17th of this month. That particular sister belongs to my area, my constituency. I have spoke to her. I have spoke to the forest priest. We stand with her, and this is unfortunate. This is very 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 unfortunate, and it is very I strongly condemn. It is not acceptable in a country like India where the brotherhood and the sense of sisterhood binds together, and we are a sovereign country. The former Speaker of the Lok Sabha, our humble MP A Sangma, said in the Parliament once, the Christians community contributed a lot for the growth of this nation. I don't know what's happening, what's wrong is going on, be it Assam in any state of the country. So any individual, any leaders, any person who are against, who are practicing, who are doing all this kind of, it's not fit to be the Indians. The true Indians, the Indians people doesn't do. But if anybody doing like this, he's not fit to be Indians, and he should not stay in Indians too. and assured that this matter will be taken up and he's taken up very seriously. And I also urge him, our Honorable Chief Minister, to take up with the government of Assam and with the central government. And this is a very serious matter, and this should not happen. And also, I would like to request every citizen across any creed, caste, and the religion, we should what you call live together, work together, unite together, and we have been in the past, present, and the future also. There is no rooms for such things to happen in the country. So, and so to say, if anybody is doing it's against the will, the desire of the Almighty God.